Welcome to our channel. Today we're tackling an ingredient most home cooks treat worse than my kitchen sink, the beetroot. Yeah, that lumpy purple thing staining your cutting board, you see this vibrant color? That's the mark of flavor. We'll show you 10 ways to use it that are so delicious, you'll forget you thought beets were boring. Let's get cooking. First up, we're roasting these bad boys. Roasting brings out their natural sweetness. Olive oil, salt, pepper, high heat. Once tender, let them cool, then slice. A dollop of creamy goat cheese, a drizzle of good olive oil, and fresh chives. Simple, elegant, delicious. Next, we're amping up the flavor with a classic beet salad, but not the sad, soggy kind you get at the supermarket. We're talking roasted beets, peppery baby greens, creamy goat cheese, and a punchy balsamic dressing. Make sure that balsamic reduction is thick enough to coat the back of a spoon, none of that watery nonsense. Let's get adventurous. Hummus, but not as you know it. We're ditching chickpeas for roasted beetroot. Blitz them with tahini, garlic, lemon juice, and cumin. This vibrant pink dip will elevate your crudités. Trust me, this one will impress any foodie. Chapter 4. Roasted Beets and Carrots, Root Vegetable Symphony. We're not done with roasting. Pair beets with another root hero, the carrot. Toss with herbs, maybe a touch of honey. The key is nice caramelization on the edges. Serve with creamy yogurt sauce, mint, and chopped pistachios. Boom, side dish of the year. Chapter 5. Arugula Beet Salad, a salad with attitude. Listen up because this salad is for grown-ups. We're talking peppery arugula, roasted beets, a sharp citrus vinaigrette to wake up those taste buds. Thinly sliced shallots add a touch of bite, and toasted walnuts bring the crunch. This isn't your average rabbit food salad, this is a flavor explosion in every bite. Chapter 6. Beetroot Smoothie, Hide the Evidence. Alright, I know what you're thinking. A beetroot smoothie? But trust me on this one. We're gonna sneak those beets into a delicious treat. Combine them with frozen banana, a juicy apple, and a bit of pineapple for sweetness. You won't taste the beetroot, but you'll get all the benefits. It's practically a health food, you can thank me later. Pickling might sound like something your granny does, but it's a game changer. The tangy brine cuts through the sweetness of beetroot, adding a new dimension of flavor. Use pickled beets to brighten up salads, sandwiches, or serve them alongside grilled meats. Chapter 8. Beet salad with lemon zest, sunshine on a plate. Let's be honest, sometimes you just need a simple, refreshing salad. This one hits the spot every time. Roasted beets, a bright lemony dressing, some mixed greens for texture, and crumbled feta for a salty kick. It's light, delicious, and takes about 5 minutes to throw together. You're welcome. Chapter 9. Beet and orange vinaigrette salad. This ain't no ordinary salad. Now we're getting fancy. This salad is all about contrasting flavors and textures. Sweet beets, tangy orange vinaigrette, crunchy fennel, fresh herbs. Get creative with this one. Use whatever herbs and spices you have, just make sure the flavors are balanced. Chapter 10. Beetroot chips. Snack attack. Finally, a healthy snack that doesn't taste like cardboard. These beetroot chips are crispy, flavorful, and addictive. Slice the beets, toss with oil and seasoning, and bake until crunchy. Perfect for dipping, snacking, or crumbling over salads for extra flavor. There you have it. You lot. 10 beetroot recipes that will convert even the most skeptical eaters. From simple salads to vibrant dips and healthy snacks, there's something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Get those beets roasted, pickled, and blended, and discover a new world of flavor. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes, and let me know in the comments which beetroot dish you'll try first. Until next time.